Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide sensitive notifications on the lock screen on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings. Now here we have to scroll down and find apps and notifications option. Here we have to scroll down and right here in the notification on lock screen option we have to just click on hide silent conversation and notifications, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.